It's another good day. Gonna do some fishing. Well, first off, welcome Desert Ginger fans. Appreciate you tuning in for today's fun video. I'm here again at Gunlock Reservoir. It is Monday, October 14th. We're gonna do a little investigative thing to see how well fish bite the night after, or the morning after the full moon. Everywhere I've looked, it says that, you know, everyone's like, oh, don't go, they feed all night, and which I have fished full moon nights before, and I've done really well. So it's gonna be interesting to see actually what happens today. I broke off a lot of my 6-cent jigs the other day, so I just bought some cheap Booyah ones at Walmart last night, and so tried jigging the trees up a little bit. I'm gonna tie some crankbaits on, and we'll crank the rocks. I have some underspins and things like that I'll try as well. Just really see what we can find. You know, and I only have 3 hours. I got to get back so the wife can go to the dentist, but got to watch the baby. So let's get what we can done. All right, enjoy. Oh God, I just tied a knot in my line. Let's get that out real fast. So here in Utah, it's really hard to catch a double digit, or hell, anything over, you know, anything over 5 pounds around here is like gigantic. And so it's just one of those things. Like everywhere, it has their quirks. Like Florida, you know, it has big bass, but you gotta deal with water moccasins and alligators, and I'm not about that life. At least not right at the moment. I will be at the end of the month when I'm there on vacation, seeing my family. I'm trying to do a little bass fishing while I'm out there. One more bass boat out here on the water so far. We are going to do the improved clinch knot. So you spin it around your bait, you know, like everyone does, 5, 6, 7 times. And then you're going to take your end over here, your loose end. You're going to go back up and through the line like this. Then you're going to twist your jig or whatever you're tying on again. In my case, it's a jig. And then you're going to, I always get it wet, especially with fluoro because I don't want it to burn. And then you pull it down like this. Make sure you're not getting any of your jig stuff up in there. Jig skirt. And then you're going to pull it down. I like to help it a little bit, cinch it tight. The reason I like to do the improved cinch knot instead of just the regular cinch knot is because I feel like it has a little bit more strength. It doesn't come untied as fast. And the reason I do it this way, maybe this is a modified, is you'll notice that the line is actually going with the jig, so you won't get grass and stuff caught on that. Go ahead and get this off right here. All right, see right there, that's nice and clean. All right, now to throw, by the way, that's a 1/2 ounce, just a Booyah jig. Holy cow. Luckily, the jig. Holy cow. Luckily, the jig came untied just barely. Look at that. That knot didn't do very good, evidently. All right, Palomar it is. First fish of the day. Got ya. First fish of the day. It's not a bad fish either. Probably 2 pounds. Now that it's holding it, it's getting a little smaller. I'll throw the scale on it just to see how close I was. Okay, the other day, when I was here Saturday, the biggest fish that we caught was 2. So this one is, quit moving. .6. And I don't feel like doing the math right now, but we're right around 1 pound, 9 ounces. Usually they school up together in the fall, so we'll drop the jig back in there again. Got another one. There we go. 2 casts, 2 fish. There we go. That one's probably right around 1 pound. You know, we won't weigh it just because it's small. Smaller than the last one. Usually they school up together in the fall, so we'll drop the jig back in there again. That looks like a good fish right here. Got her tangled up in something. Oh no, that's a good fish. This is a good fish right here. Woo, baby! Get up in here. You're a big one. Yeah! Heck yes. That's a 2-pounder at least. .44. good looking fish. So tossing the jig up into the trees, and was able to pull out this 2.5 pounder. You know, it's so far I've caught 3 fish. Saturday I only caught 4, and yeah, let's get this fish released. Here we go. Oh, there's 4. First fish on the pole. There we go. Well guys, had a good day out here to Gunlock. Caught a 2.5 pounder. It's never a bad thing when you catch a 2.5 pounder. I think I just saw a fish jump over there. I told my wife I'd be home around noon, so I gotta start heading out. But I'll caption below right here the amount of fish I caught. But overall, I thought the full moon would mess with me more, but it really didn't. I don't know if because where I was fishing there was enough cover that the full moon didn't really, affect the fish that much. I don't know if it's because there's a little bit of clouds in the sky. I don't know. All I can say is it's never a bad day fishing if you can get out and fish. Even if you just catch one, which I caught more than one. So I hope you guys enjoy the footage. That last fish I caught, I just kind of was like, you know what, I'll throw it in there for, just for the heck of it. And a fish bit and I wasn't ready for it. I almost lost my rod. And I've been pretty pissed because that one that was actually the first fish I'd caught on that rod. Brand new Shimano SLX, 7'3", extra heavy. And I was throwing on 30-pound braid with the Daiwa Tatula on it too. It would have been bad. I would have gone swimming for sure. And the water's freezing. It's like 50 to 53 degrees, I think, is the water temp. So it's pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe. Comment below, guys. I really want to try and do things that you guys would like to see. I understand I don't have a lot of subscribers right now. I don't have a lot of views, but your chances of me doing what you're saying or asking me to are very high right now because of that. So even just comment, tell me good job or what you'd like to see different about how I edit the videos and stuff. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time.